Hello everyone! In this fifth video dedicated to the UpSense universe, we will see how the UpSense to IP gateway allows you to have feedback on the consumption and use of your lighting. The UpSense range offers a Bluetooth gateway, which is powered by USB-C and connected to a network via Ethernet to transfer essential data from your installation to a dashboard. Once this gateway is installed and configured, you will be able to access graphs via the cloud showing you the energy consumed by your lighting, whether overall or zone by zone. You will also be able to see the presence detection of each zone equipped with the UpSense motion detector to optimize the use of your spaces. And thanks to the free APIs that we provide, you can configure your own computer system to integrate this data into the management of your building. If you have any further questions regarding the UpSense system, do not hesitate to contact us. We will be happy to guide you. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.